Welcome back to Ainlight 44 Explained, where we talk about mythology, theology, history, and all different types of spiritual topics.
If you find this video resonates with you, please feel free to follow, subscribe, and share the video, as this will help balance out the energy on both sides. 3i Atlas Explained. 3i/Atlas is the name of a recently discovered interstellar comet, one of only 3 known objects from outside our solar system to have passed through it. Astronomers first observed it on July 1st, 2025, using the Atlas Survey Telescope in Chile. Why is it called 3i Atlas? It is called 3i Atlas because it is the third confirmed object that has come from outside of our solar system. I stands for interstellar, meaning it is not bound by the sun's gravity and has traveled somewhere else from inside our galaxy. So together 3i makes it the third interstellar visitor we've observed. The first interstellar visitor to come outside of our solar system was 1i/Oumuamua. This was the first interstellar object ever detected. It appeared as a strange, elongated, asteroid-like body and surprised astronomers because nothing like it had ever been seen before. What is 1i? 1i/Oumuamua was initially thought to be an asteroid because it showed no visible signs of comet activity, but later studies suggest it might behave more like a comet after all. When astronomers first spotted the object in 2017, it didn't show any coma or tail, the fuzzy cloud of gas and dust that most comets develop when heated by the sun. Because of that lack of visible activity, it was classified as an asteroid and given the designation A/2017 U1. Soon after, scientists also gave it the new interstellar designation 1i/Oumuamua. Wikipedia. Why some scientists now think it might be a comet. Although no coma was seen, detailed analysis of its motion showed it experienced a slight acceleration that couldn't be explained just by gravity, a behavior usually caused by outgassing, something typical of comets. This has led many astronomers to think Oumuamua might actually be comet-like, but with unusual properties that made its gas too weak or invisible to our telescopes. So what is it? Today, scientists call 1i/Oumuamua simply an interstellar object, a category created for bodies coming from outside our solar system that aren't clearly comet or asteroid. Because of its weird behavior and appearance, it doesn't fit perfectly into the usual asteroid or comet label. This is very interesting, neither a comet or an asteroid. Now this takes us to our second interstellar visitor, 2i/Borisov. The second interstellar visitor, a more typical comet with a visible coma and tail, discovered by amateur astronomer Gennady Borisov. This behaves and acts just like a comet. It's the second confirmed interstellar object ever discovered, and unlike 1i/Oumuamua, it behaved very much like a typical comet. It had a coma and a tail caused by ices vaporizing as it approached the sun. So its full classification is Comet 2i/Borisov, an interstellar comet that came from outside our solar system. It was discovered in 2019 by amateur astronomer Gennady Borisov, which is why it carries his name. Now this brings us back to 3i Atlas. So what is exactly 3i Atlas? Interstellar comet. Unlike typical comets bound to the sun, 3i/Atlas is traveling along a hyperbolic path, meaning it is not gravitationally bound to the solar system and came from elsewhere in the galaxy. Because it moves so fast, it cannot be captured by our sun's gravitational pull. Icy and active. Observations show it has a solid icy nucleus with a coma caused by solar heating, just like other comets. No threat to Earth. Its closest approach to our planet was about 1.8 astronomical units, far too distant to pose any danger. Why it matters? Rare object. Because interstellar visitors are so uncommon, studying 3i/Atlas gives scientists valuable insights into the composition and structure of material from outside our solar system. Thank you for joining us today on another episode of Ainlight 44. We hope you leave inspired and uplifted. Carry peace, love, light, and blessings with you wherever you go, and we'll see you next time.